legitimacy. Even if we say the Supreme Court's ruling was final, many Kenyans, half of this country, did not vote for this president. The majority of that commission did not agree with these results. That shadow can never go away. We are saying those servers be opened, and I'm happy to hear from Terera, you're of the view that the servers be opened. Many Kenyans want the audit to be done and the truth to be known. We are very grateful. You have time to appear before us, and like your arrogant chair,
but I don't think it is fair for you to have constantly. It is also not fair for him to have constantly gone on the vestiges of the character of a person, but of people who are here. But when you start casting aspersion on people who are not here, and to try and derogate their characters because you do not like what he did or what he decided, it's not fair.
And if you make your point,
no, the views are afraid. Maybe there's something is afraid.
Honorable guilty of anything.
Honorable Omar and Honorable Eugene
must stop.
Honorable Omar, we've had you. And maybe we'll just like we protected.
I was going to deal with the more serious matters rather than this emotional outburst.
In fact, Vice Chair, I was going to say just like Omar.
That's okay.
Omar.
Fair enough.
I was only saying just like we protected Honorable Eugene from a very lethal attack by a stakeholder, we must equally protect Honorable Chebukati, Commissioner Chebukati, from unwarranted attacks since he's not here to defend himself.
Fair enough, Co-Chair. Let me say this. We can get back to the issues. It was so nice to listen to the two commissioners who are practically in exile, whatever the circumstances, because they fear for their lives.